Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I applied this red hair color. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, right here I'm just showing you what we look like before we begin. As you can see, my ends are very frizzy, the color is very faded and dull looking, and my hair color has no shine. Right here I'm just showing you the tube of the ION Color Brights in red. And this is the proportions that I've put together here. If I remember correctly, it's 6 ounces of conditioner to 1.5 ounces of the ION Brights Red Hair Color. So right here I'm just taking the color and applying it as thoroughly as I can, making sure that everything is evenly coated and emulsified. I'm going to massage the hair color in to get a nice even blend. Right here I'm just showing you how I'm doing it in the front because I have it heavily highlighted in the front, and the back is more of like a darker color, but I'm just making sure I don't run out, so that's what I'm doing here. Also, I would like to mention that I notice a lot of people use developer in their colors, but this is a semi-permanent hair color. This is not a permanent hair color. This is a color refresh, meaning that if you check my previous videos, I did use a red permanent color on it before, but it wasn't as deep of a shade that I would have liked. So right now I'm going in and I'm toning the hair again to get the depth that I need in order to get the color that I want. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like right here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, right here, I'm making sure that my hair is thoroughly and evenly coated. So I'm taking a brush and I'm brushing the color through. And just making sure everything is coated so far. So that's basically what I'm doing here. Okay, here is what the hair looks like before it's finished processing, and here's a reminder of what my hair looked like before I began the process of coloring color refreshing the hair. And here's the completed look. I hope you learned something from this process. As you can see, my hair has almost like a red with a hint of violet. Very deep color. This is the color that I was originally wanting, and I finally got it. Now you know how you can get it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.